Hey love, I'm Amanda Cantrell and welcome to episode 1 of Social Media Posts 101. Thanks so much for joining me, and today I'm going to tell you the very first and most important thing you need to include in your social media posts. Hey love, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me first say, I was planning for episode 1 to be shot in my home, my nice cool air conditioning, but I actually just came from filming a client event. That was so much fun. I had a great time, but now I'm all sweaty and I actually had this filmed beforehand, but I really didn't like it. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so we'll talk about that too when it comes to social media posting. But I really wanted to just go off the cuff and really talk about the most important part of what you need to have in your social media posts, and this is every single post that is your business post. Now, before I jump into that, let me just go ahead and get a little work out the way and say, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me online on my other social media platforms. I am on Instagram, Facebook, and also Pinterest, as well as here on YouTube. Now, sometimes I have to remember where I am because I'm always going, but I'm sure you know that, especially if you are a business owner or a parent. So that leads me to making your time most effective with what you're doing in your business and on social media. And that is the number one thing you want to do. That is creating a signature that you're going to put in every single one of your posts. Now I'm going to show you what my signature looks like. This is my signature. I include it in every single business post. And the reason why I do this is because no matter where I post on whichever platform, people will always know how to contact me. In this signature, you want to include your name, your business name, your phone number, a contact email, and also your city and state. Now, some people include links to websites, but not all websites and platforms like to have that in there. So I know Facebook does not particularly care when you include links on the page, unless it is like directly linking to a blog post or something in your post. And that is because they do not want you taking their traffic off of the platform. So what you need to include is, again, your name, business name, an email address, a phone number, city, and state. Now, to really emphasize your signature, I want to recommend that you visit the website, and I can't think of it off the top of my head exactly to word it correctly, but I have it right here, and that is an Instagram font generator. And this will allow you to include bold and italic, different type of fonts, and you're going to mix both the regular type with a signature type of font, and you're going to use this every single time. I recommend using Google Keep or Clipboard, whatever you want to call it, so you can keep this with you at all times handy on your phone if you need to do a quick post. And again, we will get into all this, and I'm actually going to have to-do tutorials, so stay tuned, subscribe. But anyways, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the font of your name, your business name, and your email address, not your phone number. Keep that the same, because what people can do if they're looking at your content from their cell phone, they can actually, on certain platforms, like I know on Linktree, they're able to click on that phone number and they can automatically call you without having to access their keypad. What you want to do is make everything as easy as possible excuse me, as easy as possible for the people that are watching you to get in touch with you and contact you. So again, we're going to avoid links. We are going to italic and bold our email address because we want people to see it. We want them to notice it. Same with our name, same with our email address, excuse me, and also our company name. Keep the phone number the same. Keep the city and state the same also. So that is what you're going to include on your business related post. Do not put this on every single post. If you're posting a photo of your kid, your dog, your pet, what you're eating, there's no point in doing that. It's basically spam at that point, and people are going to cut you off, and it looks tacky. We don't want to look tacky. So again, add the signature to all of your business posts. This is going to allow people to contact you, and I really hope you found this information helpful, especially if you're a newbie to social media and social media posting. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you'll follow me online on my other social media platforms. And thanks so much for tuning in with me. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. And this is just advice I'm giving you that's tried and true off of my years of experience. And if you have any questions, please drop those below in the comments so I can answer that on the next video. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye, love.